Are you ready for a quick spin around the Vegas 261? Hi, it's Steve from Thor Motor Coach, and here we are. Great floor plan, 27 feet, 2 inches in length. You're going to have seatbelts for 4, sleeping for 3. Great look in here, right? This is Sea Pearl and Pacific Pearl Technoform cabinets. Light furniture in here. It's homey. It makes you want to just kick back and live it up inside your 261, which is exactly what we're doing right now. The passenger and captain's chair swivel, so these become part of your living area. There's also a pedestal table that sits up. I love sitting at camp in the morning here at the pedestal table, right? You open up your, maybe it's a laptop or whatever, and hop online, plan a cool excursion for the day. Dashboard looks great as you would expect. Flip out dash workstation for the passenger over there. Just a real comfortable living area. You also have the theater seats. Now right now we have these set up with the table. So this table stores away. 2 legs hold it up, cup holders here. Have your meal here, play a game here. Keep the door open with the screen, look out at your beautiful campsite. Large windows over the kitchen so you can just look out and enjoy the scenery. You have wireless charging, cup holders over here in the armrest, but maybe it is time to kick your feet up and watch TV. This table you can put away like that. Just like that, you're ready to go. So the table is going to store under the queen size bed and the legs go in the closet. We'll show you when we take a tour of the bedroom, but here we are. We're kicked back. We have the smart TV on. We've connected to the Winegard Connect 2.0 4G hotspot and Wi-Fi extender. So now we are streaming all of our favorite shows, or we're connecting and looking at all of our favorite social media sites, whatever it is you want to do. And then you can just kick your feet down, get up, and go make a snack in this wonderful campsite kitchen. Notice you have a ton of counter space in here. Pop-up outlet 110s, USB-A, USB-C, large single bowl sink, pull-down sprayer, and tons of storage in here. Love these cabinets in here. You have adjustable shelves. Again, these are all Technoform, which that means durability. So Technoform was founded back in 1965, specializes in the marine industry. So heat, humidity don't stand a chance against these beautiful cabinets. Right here, 2-burner gas cooktop, convection microwave right here, your air fryer button right there so you can get your chicken or your fish or your fries nice and crispy. Ton of storage down here at the wastebasket. Under counter lighting, which is nice, makes a nice night light. Soft close drawers on here. Beautiful. 12-volt fridge right here. You're gonna have a 4,000 watt gas generator with auto gen start on here. That is controlled through Rapid Camp Plus. Through Rapid Camp Plus, check your tanks, put out your slide wall, everything you need built right in. Check on your solar right there from Rapid Camp Plus. But large fridge and freezer right up top. That takes us right back to our split bath. You have a shower over here, printed surround, skylight up above. And then over on the other side here, everything else you need, right? You have your porcelain foot flush toilet. You have a large medicine cabinet, a lot of counter space, your sink. Great bathroom in here. And what's nice is the door swings open and then this turns into an entire area here. So this is like your own private changing quarters where you can keep all of your favorite outfits. You have a closet on each side. Now this is where the legs for the table store right in there. A lot of storage up top. Comfortable queen size bed, north to south. And what I love about having this north to south bed, if you are at a campsite where you are boondocking, you can't put out your slide wall, you can just climb into this bed. I also want to mention the headroom in here. We're standing on, you can see there's actually just like a little platform up here to climb up, and I can still stand right under the ceiling. So if I sit down here, and I, in my big Timberlands today, 6'1", plenty of room. You have a vent here, 15,000 BTU, ducted AC, so you're going to stay nice and comfortable back here. And I just want to show you real quick that tabletop stores right under here, along with the ladder to the optional over the cab bunk. So that's always a nice extra to have that over the cab bunk. And that's going to take us to the outside because there's a lot of great features to show you. outside this 26-1. Start up front, walk back. Integrated cameras right here, so when your directional is on or you touch the button on the steering wheel, you're going to get a nice shot down the side of your 26-1. Little storage right here, Rotocast bays with the drain inside. They're not going to get stinky, they're not going to mold, they're not going to mildew. You can rinse those out. Large storage bay here, maybe some camping chairs. Again, nice Rotocast bay. Couple of GFCI 110s there. Turn on your generator or be plugged into 30 amp shore power for those to work. This is a 30 amp coach. Then we get into all the good stuff back here, at least some of my favorite for outdoor living, right? So you have this armless patio you can put out, so a nice awning. Just Rapid Camp Plus to the main screen or the app and your awning will come out. Then here we have an exterior hose, so if you want to rinse out your storage bays you can, because there is a little drain plug in the back as well. And then love having a griddle. Slide out tray, nice large griddle. Again, you're going to want to get this seasoned up before you use it so it turns into a non-stick surface. Heavy cast iron here. Your cord here plugs into your exterior propane connection, which is actually right down here. And now you can griddle all of your favorites, breakfast, lunch, everything turns out wonderful on your griddle. Then it just tucks away. You lock it up and you are good until the next trip. Steel bumper, ladder, a large storage bay in the back here. This is everything you need for great family trips. This is the Vegas 26-1. You should build your own right now at thormotorcoach.com.